Hello everyone, my name is Atira and I'm from Kerala. I'm a postgraduate in sociology from Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi, and I have also completed my B.Ed in social sciences from Professor Rajendra Singh University, Prayagraj. Apart from this, I have cleared my set as well. I do have more than 4 years of experience in the field of teaching, and since last 1 year I am a part of Belvedere Group as a social science teacher in Panesia Belvedere International School, Nanded. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jesslyn Thomas. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Elementary Education from Delhi University, and currently I am pursuing Masters in English from IGNOU. Basically, I am from Delhi, born and brought up in Delhi. From past 6 months, I have been working with Belvedere, and Belvedere's curriculum has really helped me to understand what holistic education is. It is not just focusing on the learning aspect of a child, it is about focusing on all the three aspects that are mind, body, and soul, which really helps a child to know who he or she really is, or to understand what his or her potentials are. Me being an educator or a teacher, my duty is to facilitate each and every child to find answers to the questions that a child has, and by adapting new techniques and methodologies. My duty is also to take care of each and every child to be successful and to build their own path to be a successful, good citizen. Thank you.
If you can dream it, you can do it. Good morning to all. I'm Jayanti from Mysore, Karnataka. I born in Chamrajnagar and raised in Mysore. I have completed my BCom in St. Philomena's College and B.Ed in RIE Mysore. I got an excellent opportunity to work with Belvedere. I am happy that Belvedere has given me space to share my thoughts and ideas in my learning teaching processes. Belvedere has motivated, guided, and made me to dedicated towards my profession. Dear students, nowadays we are tend to give up fast. Why do you think we are doing this? Because we have lack of confidence and self-esteem. What we can do to build our confidence and self-esteem? We must boost ourselves by saying I can, and to have positive thoughts and perception. If you have this in your life, you can achieve anything that you wish. So, believe yourself. Have a wonderful academic year and be ready to enjoy learning.
Hi everyone, myself Xavier Bankeng. I belong to Assam and I'm from Guwahati. I completed my BA in Political Science from Guwahati University, and I have appointed in Panesia Belvedere International School as office assistant cum activity trainer, and I train my students guitar, taekwondo, karate, and basketball. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Diana M. Jos. I'm from Kerala. I completed my Masters in Chemistry from Government College for Women, Mandya, that is affiliated to University of Mysore. And it's very proud to say that I'm working in Panesia Belvedere International School, Nanded. I'm teaching chemistry for 8 to 12 standard students, and the environment is very good for working there. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Marina Abraham. I am from Kerala but brought up in New Delhi. I have completed my bachelor degree, that is Bachelor of Physical Education from SAI LNCP, and Masters in Physical Education from Pondicherry Central University. It's been a year I was working with Belvedere team and as a physical education teacher, and I can proudly say that I have learned a lot from Belvedere curriculum. For example, during COVID situation, I felt like my field was the one which was affected the most. But Belvedere gave me a chance to showcase my learning through a subject called health literacy. where we taught students about what to take, what to not, about the food chart, diet chart, healthy food, unhealthy food. So, whether the class is online or offline mode, we focus on overall development of a child, of an individual, which includes physical fitness, well-being of an individual, and health. So, learning is what we all do. So, let's learn together.
मैं बहुत ही कम उम्र में आजादी की लड़ाई का हिस्सा बन गया। मुझे आजाद कहा जाता है, इसके पीछे एक खास वजह है। जब मैं 15 साल का था तो मुझे जज के सामने पेश किया गया। मैंने कहा, मेरा नाम आजाद है, मेरे पिता का नाम स्वतंत्रता है, मेरा घर जेल है। यह बात सुनकर जज भड़क गए और मुझे 15 करोड़ की सजा सुनाई गई। तभी से मेरा नाम आजाद पड़ गया। हम दुश्मन की गोलियों का सामना करना चाहिए, दुश्मन की गोलियों का सामना करेंगे, आजादी रहेंगे, आजादी रहेंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू। He had ordered a grand dinner in his place. So in the afternoon, there was a Maharaja. In the afternoon, Maharaja. Nice, but what are these bits of vegetable doing here? They are the waste, Maharaja. The leftover pieces, after cutting the vegetables, we will throw them away. We will throw away? My God. No. That's not right. Find a way to use them. It's an order, okay? Okay, Maharaja. I will do something about it. Now, the cook began to think he was worried and did not want to make a paste of coconut, green chilies, and garlic. I saved the day. I am genius. I will add the bits of vegetables. I saved today. I am genius. The Maharaja ate the food and liked it very much. Wow, what a wonderful dish. What is the name of this dish? It's Avial, Maharaja. You are the best cook. What a food. Thank you. Thank you, Maharaja. Well, the cook got famous because he took care of the waste in the kitchen and his will become famous.
Thank you, dear teachers, for your wonderful support and motivation at all times. Thank you, parents, for being with us through this journey of staying safe at home and for understanding the importance of technology and online learning. Thank you, my lovely friends, for taking time out and practicing every day to make our annual event a success. And most of all, for being together, positive and happy always. Thank you once again. Hakuna Matata.
To seek and to find. Magpie loves berries, squirrel papers nut.